Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, and E, F are all five sides of a regular polygon. R, S, T, S, C, U, and B, C, V are all straight lines. R, S, T, and C, D are parallel to each other. Angle RSC is 128 degrees and angle UCV is 32 degrees. Work out how many sides the polygon has. Show you're working clearly. Now, in order to find the number of sides, we're going to find the sum of the interior angles first. I'll get to y in a minute. The sum of the interior angles is simply 180 times n minus 2. But why are we trying to find the sum of the interior angles when we have to find the number of sides? Well, actually, to find the sum of the interior angles, we have to input how many sides there are. So if we already know what the sum is, we can then find the number of sides. So let's see here. First off, we know that opposite angles are always equal. So this is 32 degrees. And since it said that RST and CD are parallel, so we can continue the line like this, we know that this angle is equal to this angle. So this is 128 degrees. However, that also means that this opposite angle is also 128 degrees. And if I clean it up a little bit, we can see that one of the angles is 32 plus 128 degrees, which I can also put here since all the angles are the same. 32 plus 128 is simply 160 degrees. So we know that one of the angles is 160, but we have to divide it by the number of sides. So that means our answer is 180 times n minus 2 divided by the number of sides. Since we want to only find one interior angle, divided by n is equal to a single interior angle, which is 160. We can then multiply n to both sides. 180 times n minus 2 is equal to 160n. We can then multiply 180 into the bracket. 180n. 180 times negative 2 is negative 360 is equal to 160n. We can bring 160n to the other side and negative 360 to the other side. So we have 180n minus 160n is equal to 360. That also means that 180n minus 160n is simply 20n is equal to 360. Then we can divide both sides by 20. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So that means the number of sides are 18. So this polygon, when extended, will have a total of 18 sides. And we can actually check this to make sure. We can write 180 into the number of sides, 18 minus 2, divided by the number of sides, 18, should give us 160. So we can put this into the calculator to check. We have 180 times 18 minus 2 is 16, which is then divided by 18. We have 160. 160 is equal to 160. Therefore, we are correct. So the number of sides are 18. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.